Hi goddesses, welcome. So in this video today, it's kind of going to be like a vlogmas a little bit, but specifically today I'm going to be doing a lot of like running around, and this is going to be more of like a business kind of vlog. If y'all don't know, my books are published on Barnes & Noble's website. The way that I went about, having my books published through Barnes & Noble's is through Barnes & Noble's Press. So today I'm going to be going to Barnes & Noble's today to see how much it's going to cost for me to kind of get a bulk of my books, as well as how can I get them on the shelves in Barnes & Noble's, because it's only on the website right now. Not only that, today I'm going to be getting a new phone today, which will be the iPhone 15. I want to get the pink one, so we'll see if they have that in stock. But the reason that I'm doing this is I have my iPhone 11, which I'm recording on right now, which is a great phone. I've had this for about 4 years now, and it's fully paid off, but it's time for an upgrade. Specifically when it comes to my iPhone, like I want to have more high quality videos for my Instagram as well as for my YouTube channel when it comes to short form content. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, and a little bit of Christmas shopping as well. A lot has changed in my life since I've been working on my books and publishing my books, and also journaling a lot. So I'm going to be sharing that a lot with you goddesses on this journey today. So definitely stay tuned. So the reason that I'm sharing so much about journaling specifically and why I created these journals is because my life changed drastically. I had to do a lot of research when I was on my journaling journey, and that's why I created my books, to make it easier for the next person. But if you want to change your life in a short period of time, within 6 to 8 months, journaling and visualizing is the way to do it. It is really cold. Ooh, she thick. So it's really cold in Florida right now. I went to college in Orlando. I forget how cold it gets during like the colder months. I'm gonna make my first stop going to AT&T, because that's where I'm going to get my phone. Y'all, so I got my new phone. I'll show y'all like side by side and everything. Wow, it is a lot clearer on this one for sure. My phone had to take an hour to like transfer everything over from this phone. This is the phone that I've been using for the last 4 years, iPhone 11 Pro, I think, or Plus or something like that. We're going to head over to Barnes & Noble's now.
We right here in front of Barnes and Noble, nigga.
I want y'all to know that like 2 years ago, pretty much everything that I've been wanting and manifesting is coming into fruition now, because I've been like journaling, I've been putting in the work and everything. Document this moment with y'all to just show y'all that like really anything is possible as long as you put in the work. You can get to what it is that you want, but always doing the work within. I just finished going to Barnes & Noble's. I got the card that I wanted to get, but I'll tell you everything once I get into the car. So this is the Christmas card that I got. I thought it was really cute. It said, "I love your heart." So this was a card that I got for my mom. So point blank period, what happened when I went in there, so I had asked the girl about my books and if I can get them printed. So she made it clear to me, in order to like print the book, you have to do it online, and that's the only way that you can get the books printed. And of course, then I asked like the question of like, what is the process of getting my books on the shelves? And she just like directed me to like their website, and it's like Barnes & Noble's like support.com. So when I get home, I'm going to like email them and whatnot to see what the process is, if it's like a certain amount of sales threshold or something that I have to do. And other than that, like, I love Barnes & Noble's. I don't know about y'all, but like, it's one of my favorite places. Like, I used to go when I was a kid.
Every day.
And it's still one of my favorite places. So I saw a couple like mangas and like books and stuff, and when I went a couple months ago to look for Jujutsu Kaisen, y'all, like there was no Jujutsu Kaisen books, and now they're all there. I don't know if it's because it's now like trending a lot more or something like that, but literally this Barnes & Noble's had no Jujutsu Kaisen until just now. Definitely leave a comment down below if you want to hear more of my process of my books and everything when it comes to my business and everything. But with that all being said, I love you goddesses, and I will check y'all in the next video. So love you. Bye.